Alright. Naderator. Uh-oh. Oh, look at that. We can just take the bottom off and they'd all come out. Made you look, made you stare.
All right, pick it up. Pick it up the other way.
Whoa! Whoa, whose idea was that? Oh!
Jackpot! They're not going.
These are my quarters. I got them out.
That's right.
My quarters.
Go ahead. Hey, guys. Pick up all of Nate's quarters for him. Hey, we want you to make sure and count them, too.
Yeah, make sure you
I get all the ones that are bicentennial.
Is that wire?
No, you can reach right down to the bottom of them now.
All right.
But they're only an inch deep.
It's all mine.
All right. Give me a shocker. Nate. Nate.
These are all mine.
Hey, quit messing with my quarters, man. Bro, watch out.
This way you have to put them in this.
Is that it? Shake it up a little bit. Ah,
You'll know when we pick it back up if they fall again.
yeah.
Do it
I
again.
think most of them.
We got to count them, see if that thing's paid for yet.
Hey, there's a $100 bill in that one.
What? Where's the special one?
What is that thing?
Right, we just
Where'd it come from, though?
I got it.
Up back what?
And then I can't say it. It was bent already, so I didn't think it could hurt nothing.
Say that again.
Say what again? I got it out of the package area. Why?
All right, let's see. Let's see what's that. I'm about out of video. Get out of the way.
Come on, kids. Watch out, Nick. He's going right on your
You
head.
can get them after they flip it back up, Sissy. You can get them
Watch
after
out.
they want to flip it over. Move out of their
Get
way.
away, hand.
Nikalee,
Hey!
move! You can pick up the quarters in a minute.
That's all that was in there. Not even a bucket full.
Still fucking out last long, so make sure that $100.
What?
I tried betting somebody $100. There was not quarters to fill that bucket.
There are a couple. Very few.